How to use QuickBooks, full QuickBooks tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with QuickBooks, one of the most easiest and simple accounting tools. This platform, although it is simple and easy to use, still offers you all the tools that you need to get started. So let's jump right in. First off, you're going to click on Login and then click on QuickBooks Online, and then you can proceed on to QuickBooks. Now, I am going to be logging on to my account. If you don't have one, you can sign up with your email address and that is it. Once we do that, we're going to proceed with our password, and you do have to provide some basic information about QuickBooks. We're just going to cancel, skip, and then we're just going to be proceeding on to our QuickBooks account over here. Now, once we do that, we will see our QuickBooks homepage, and QuickBooks is something that I personally think can serve as a really great accounting tool for even larger businesses because of how optimized everything can be. So starting off, whenever you create your account on QuickBooks, you can proceed with adding your business info. So if you click on Let's Do This over here, you can proceed with adding your business information. This makes everything more accurate for you. It can help you in calculating your taxes, so on and so forth. So let's say your business has been around for 2 years. Do you get help from a bookkeeper? And then what apps do you use for your business? So if you're running on Shopify, you can link that. If you're running on WooCommerce, Excel, you can link any of your apps. And then just click on All Done to proceed on to the next step. Now, once we have moved on into the next step, we are going to be moving forward, and we are just going to go on ahead and go into our second section, which is how we can create invoices. Now, before we create invoices, the step that I like to do is to connect my bank accounts. So within your QuickBooks menu, you can see your reports, customers, expenses, transactions. So within transactions, you can see bank transactions. And if you click on bank transactions, you're going to click on Get Started. And to be able to do bank reconciliations, you can see you have to search which account you want, and then you can start with your reconciliation. So if you want to do this with bank statements, you do need to connect your bank, which is going to obviously optimize and make everything very quick and easy for you, because when your bank is connected, you don't have to worry about, constantly having to upload your transactions. So you can also upload transactions. This is up to your personal preferences, but you can just click on Connect Account. And once you click on Connect Account over here, you can move forward. Now, once we click on Connect Account, we're just going to go on ahead and then select the bank account. We can see there are some popular bank accounts, and you can search for your bank and then proceed with your connection. After that, you have bank reconciliation, and you even have general rules which can help you in saving time. So whenever a certain money out transaction happens, it should be happening in this particular account. Below that, you also have a chart of your accounts as well as recurring transactions that you may have. So this makes sure that everything can, be tracked really easily. And you are then able to better understand where your money is going because you actually have a log of, all of your recurring transactions. Now, below that, you have your general sales overview. Now, before I, jump right into sales, I personally do prefer to go with customers and leads and add my customers. You can also go into sales. And within sales, when you're going into invoices or estimates or customers, you can add them right away. But it's just easier to import them or add them first. So I like to go into customers and leads, and you can click on import customers if you already have a prepared database of all of your customers. If you do not have that kind of prepared database, you can still proceed simply by going on ahead, and you're just going to click on add customer. Once you click on add customer, you're going to enter the title, the first name, the display name. So you're going to just fill in all of this information. And then once you do that, you're going to add, if this is a sub customer, their address, payment information, additional info, and more. I'm going to leave this out for now because I do not want to add this customer. Now, once you do that, you can go directly into sales and go into invoices. Now, there are two options. You can send out estimates or invoices. Invoices are usually prices for, a certain product that you have, and estimates usually can be anything where you're giving a price quotation, where you're giving someone an idea of your pricing rather than the actual pricing itself. So this is going to be based upon your estimate. You can ask for approvals based upon the estimate as well. And you can enjoy new ways to customize the look and feel of your products or services. To add your products and services, go into Sales and then click on Products and Services. Once you do that, you're going to click on New, and you have 3 types of ways you can add them. You can do a direct batch import, or you can opt and go on ahead, simply select service or non-inventory item. So let's say this is a non-inventory item, and once we do that, we're going to proceed with the item name. And then after that, you can add which price you're selling this for, as well as the income account and purchasing. So I purchased this from a supplier, then you can add your supplier as well. You can add images. I have added a service in the past. We have the Kenzie facial, and let's say that I'm, running bookkeeping for my spa. So you're able to customize your services as well, especially when you're in the service-based industry. And you do see that a lot of customers do need, more customized, more tailored servicing. Then this is going to be a great opportunity for you to simplify your overall bookings and your booking processes. Now, moving forward into our bookkeeping tool, we can go on ahead into our expenses section, and from here, you're going to log all of your expenses as well as your suppliers. So you're just going to go ahead, click on New Transaction, and you're going to choose the type of transaction this is. Whether this is a bill, expense, check, supplier credit, credit card credit, or pay down credit. Now, there are some primary differences between a bill and an expense. Bills are usually recurring, and expenses can truly be anything. Let's say you had to pay a fee or you had to buy something extra, then those are going to be your expenses. Those can be one-time expenses, those can be recurring expenses, but bills are things like your general utilities that you're going to be paying every month. So you can log all of those over here, and you can even link them to certain suppliers. So if an expense is related to a supplier, you can keep track of that simply by linking them together. Now below that, you have your reporting section, which is really important within any accounting tool, and this is going to help you in keeping track of everything. So within your accounting tool, your reporting tool is going to be something that is most frequently used. You can type out the type of report you're looking for, and you can choose to grade those reports, and they have a bunch of samples that you can play around with, get a general idea. And then after that, you have taxes, employees, where you can manage your taxes and employees. Now, all of this comes at a very low price within QuickBooks. They have 4 different plans. They are Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced, and pricing is going to vary based upon the region. But when you're looking to manage bills and payments, track employee time, and use multi-currency, you should upgrade to the Plus version. But for tracking inventory up to 40 classes, as well as locations, then it is recommended to opt for their Plus plan. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.